Welcome to the 30-day challenge. Are you a real estate agent? Are you a realtor? Are you a real estate professional? This is going to be your 30-day challenge to get a listing and get a customer in the next 30 days or before. But before we go into the 30-day challenge, day number one, I want to tell you some statistics on today's real estate market. Existing home sales in the United States fell 1.7% between June and July. And at the same time, property values increased 2% compared to a year ago, reaching about the median of $434,000. And the mortgage continuing to be around 6.7. A couple of weeks ago, the Federal Reserve got together and they decided to keep the interest rate the same. They didn't bring it down or up due to the war in Iran and the Gulf. So what does that mean for a real estate professional like you? It means we have to do things in a different way. We need to use different strategies. The market is moving in different directions. Sales are moving in different directions. From now on, in order to be able to be successful and get listings, we have to do things in a different way. And this is what the 30-day challenge is for you. So you can follow day by one what to do to be able to get a listing in the next 30 days or get a customer that want to sell a house or a buyer that want to buy a house and they hire you to do that. So in the next 30 days, we're going to be learning how to use AI and how to develop a high-performing mindset and how to do marketing for you to be able to get these customers, for customers to call you, to attract customers. So with these new strategies, you're going to be learning, number one, how to get one or two listings in the next 30 days or one or three customers that want to do business with you as a real estate professional. Number two, you're going to be learning how to build a repeatable system where you can do follow-ups, where you can call customers, do follow-ups, and be able to develop on a weekly basis this high performing mindset, which is very important for your communication with your customers and for your marketing. You're going to be learning how to do social media marketing, which is the key foundation of the customers to see you on a daily basis and be able to call you. Number three, you're going to learn how to do constant action because you can have the best marketing strategies, the best communication strategies, the best ideas, and the best leads. But if you don't take action, that's the key to be able to start generating business. So the program is built in three pillars. Number one, AI, how to use artificial intelligence for your business. Number two, how to develop a high-performing mindset. And number two, and the most important, how to take action on a daily basis. So how is the 30-day challenge going to work? So how is the 30-day challenge going to work for you? First of all, I'm going to show you the approach to this challenge in a very strategic way so you can get the most out of it every day. Your next step is going to be simple. You're going to go to week number one, the AI foundation and the AI mindset high performance. And then you're going to go to day number one. So it's going to be 6 weeks, and every week is going to have 1 day. So it's going to be 30 days, the whole 30-day challenge. So don't try everything at once. Complete today's number one or day one homework and take action. Then come back tomorrow for day number two. I'll tell you, this challenge is going to be for people that want to take action. So today, it's like an opening. It's like tell you what you're going to be getting starting in day number one. We're going to be learning how to use tools like AI, any type of AI that you want to use. In this case, we're going to use ChatGPT. We're going to use Canva. We're going to use the MLS, any other platforms that is important for you to be able to use it in a very strategic way. Also, we're going to be using some type of CRM. I'm going to recommend you what CRM to do or use so you can do follow-up. Also, you're going to be completing some high-performing mindset exercises designed to help you overcome fears, build confidence. Because as a real estate professional, many have different type of fears. Some people have fears of rejection. Some people have fears of talking on the phone. Some people, they have social anxiety. They want to be real estate professional, but they don't want to be around people for X reasons. So removing fears is very important on daily or weekly action so you can move forward. And we're going to be taking a different action, one or two different actions every day. And for that, we're going to have some support. You're going to be able to meet us online every week so we can help you and give you support how to take action. Or you have any questions, you may have a customer or you may talking to a seller or to a buyer. And we're going to help you to do that with a weekly online Zoom coaching and support. So the final message for today, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to put a different date every day. Your challenge is going to start today with the 30 days AI, mindset, actions, results. So let's get started.